everybody, welcome back to my video. I just had some waffles, but this is like a get ready with me for the day. Later today I might film it, but we are going to be bathing a miniature donkey and catching a mini. So, my doggy right here, the iconic one. She's more iconic than me. I love her. I have my water over here. I need to refill. I was just playing with my dogs. But as you guys can kind of tell from my face, I have not woke up yet. My hair's atrocious. My bed is a wreck, but we won't worry about that today. Squishmallows just get cut, chunked in the corner, and one side of the bed you guys don't see. My bed's messy. I need to do another cleaning video. And then I'm gonna clean the house up today. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I got her. I got the iconic tissue. Yep. I got the tissue. My sister's coming here Tuesday, and she's gonna be so excited. She doesn't know yet. Come on. Fall in my lap. You goofball. Okay, let's go and get ready. My brain just had a massive fart, and now I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, getting ready. Okay. I don't know where. I think there's these. They're skinny, and I don't want to wear those. There's a pillowcase. I want to wear these skinnies. I have to wear my black leaves I've been wearing for 2 days. I don't even have no long sleeves. I need to catch up. No. No. Lee. So let me pause the video while I get dressed in my room. Now y'all can see me better. This had pink lemonade in it. I went to the store. I made it delicious, but they substituted it for water when I finished. I don't get the big one, I just get the ones. Then we put the choo-choo. It's a favorite thing in the skin pits. But we have a full day ahead that's getting captured on camera, so we will get down. So I'm gonna have to move you guys to get down from my room. Let me show you how I get down. So this ledge is stairs, and then I grab that. I don't know if you can see that little hedge, and I hold on to my mantle, and I just hop down. It's actually not that hard. And then, but I go on like on the edge, so my feet can just swing on, and then grab the edge, swing off, and I'm down. Most easy thing. Let me unplug you guys because right now you guys are on charger. Okay, now I'm in the bathroom. You guys can definitely tell my voice has got louder. My dad is asleep right now, so I'm trying to be as quiet in the bathroom. He can't really hear me. So walk the door. He has pneumonia and spinal sickness. Okay, so since everybody's been sick in the house lately, now I'm testing my temp just to make sure, since everybody has been sick. We'll just be careful for our merch. I think we're gonna be good. So 97.1. That's an average temp for me. So I'm gonna get my hairbrush. Okay, guys, now we lose it a lot. So wait, I had to restrain. Ow. God dang my hair. It takes forever to debrush. Oh, and I hate these. I got them and I absolutely hate them. I have like 3 big jugs. And they suck on my hair. They're the 3-in-1s. Watermelon, I absolutely hate them, but my aunt gave them to me, so I use them some days. But some days I don't. Just because this is how bad my hair gets. Ow! Also one reason why I hate it is it just gets so tangled. So you gotta like wrap it around your hand and then put it through your fingers so it doesn't go through it. There's finally getting unbrushed. Finally. Let me try this side. And I am wearing my jacket today, and yes, it will be on camera. I know I've not been posting lately because as you guys probably saw from my last short, I've been sick with the flu too. I'm just getting back from it. That video came out. Oh, my dad's up. He's moving, so I'm not too worried. But when he's up moving, I do have to get out of the bathroom. So be nice. Yes, it is. Yeah. Don't want you to scroll the video, so like leave it. But like do a little scroll fee. So we'll just like come through. Okay. I'm just getting my deodorant. I don't see my deodorant except these. So what's down there is that? I don't know why. Main mystery. I don't know why. This is not my toothpaste, but it's my mother's that I'm out, so I'm stealing from hers. I hate this color. It's like green, and that means the toothpaste is like green for me. It's not a fun favorite of mine. I usually would use the Colgate one, but if he walks in, I'll just tell him I'm brushing my teeth and he can wait. I hate this one. I'm back when I'm done. Alright, now we're fully brushed teeth. Okay, so we're done in the bathroom.
force feed in the back. Stick it out. Everybody have to.
Okay, I'll sleep.
I'll Dr. Pepper in there for you. Get the Dr. Pepper in the freezer for your dad. Let's get these goddamn heaters off.
There. It's off. Okay, look. Ooh, can you pass me my boots? It's the brown ones.
Where'd these come from?
Tara! That's the same place where Kayla got hers and stars.
What's wrong with that one?
Wrong with what?
Started. Oh, it's up! Oh,
Do what?
I think your daddy's chunking garbage out the window.
Yeah, cats.
haha.
Taking those on the vehicle.
We're done with getting dressed. And I don't know if you heard that, but my dad's been chunking garbage out the window at cats. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, sister. Let's go. Alright, sister's down. Alright, sister's down. Sister, you wanna go outside? Oh yeah, I do think Dad's chucking crap out the window. Sure. Hey, Screech! Screech, Screech! Screech! Yeah. Yeah, look at the kitty. Alright. Look at him. I'm a cutie. Alright, I have to put you guys down. Let's move this. Alright. Go on, kitty. I'm gonna put you guys down on something, so. Alright, you guys get to see me pull hay bale out the car. Or not hay bale, a sea bag. See if I can angle it up right. Hi, kitty. My cat will probably get in my way. I'll be back in a sec. It'll take me like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, let me pause the camera. I'm waddling back over my feed bag. Let me pause the camera so you guys are not waiting here forever. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, it took me longer than I thought. Now we got to get buckets lined up and feeding horses. This is Eggnog! Right now it's an Eggnog. Eggnog got his first work back yesterday while my sister was in town. So, you got to enjoy it. You got to enjoy the horsey. You got to see the river for a minute. But the horse will be following me around probably because it's hungry. It's a hangry horsey. They haven't got fed yet. So I'm kind of walking through the pasture, lining up the barrels. So ready to just walk through with the buckets. Alright. Because, hello. Hello, Dreamer. Here's the Dreamer. Here's the Miss Pants. And Screech is in the horse pasture again. Crazy cat. I was gonna say, she does follow me around. Come on, Screechy. She follows me perfectly around. She watches where she goes. She's not a dumb cat. I'm gonna pick her up and take her over. Other side of the fence for me, though. So I can walk over and not leave her behind. But she's a good cat. She follows me everywhere. Come on, Screech. Call her name, she'll come with me. She follows me everywhere where I go. I'm on the back of a donkey. She stays her distance from Jack, but she follows. She's my little trail kitty. She absolutely always following me. But, hi. Hello. She's everything back there hanging out. But this is the bucket house salsa. And now I have to walk around. Hi. Walk around with a bag, with a bucket. Hi, Squeaky. With a bag of my favorite feed to feed them. And Squeaky's looking so hungry. I can see that. I'm going to get some cat food for this one. These guys, they're just so cool. Alright, now I have to find a scoop. Got it. So there's a bucket out there. There's also patches that's coming. But the patches will stay. Hi, Mama. Oh, hi, Pat. I highly doubt Pat will stay with us. Pat is not a person. A cat person. Hello. Alright, hi, Pat. You okay? Got the bucket. Got the scoop. Now, I'll do like 3 scoops, I think. I have no clue yet. There's 4 horses. And there's half a scoop's going to each of them in the also with the alfalfa. So I'll do 3 of them and any of the extras I'll pick. And now food has been prepared. Now you guys are not allowed to come along on me and Screech's journey feeding. So I'll pause the video here, just pause. And come back in just a second when I'm done feeding. We're back from feeding. Screech, come here. On my hand, I'll cover it. And I'll pause a little bit. So, come here, Screechy. Screech, come here. Screech, come here. Lion. Okay, so buckets are empty. Horses are slurping. I think that's Tail's bit. Why? I have no clue why she changed it. Okay. But horses are fed. Horses are good. Now I have Bunny. Bunny's a little different than ponies. He's had water last night, so we ain't needing that. Hi, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Come on, Screech. Screech is just following me around. When she's slacking on the job, I'll call her name. Come on, Screechy. Quit slacking. Let's go. Move on. Yep, there she comes. Right behind me. Crawling along. Ponies are eating. Checking Bunny now. She's telling my mom. Come on, Screechy. Come on, Screechy. See if she'll cut that corner for me. Come on, Screechy. There she is. There's a pretty girl. Okay, and then I will show you guys Bubba. I'm pretty sure he's good. Yeah, he's good. That's Bubba. Got Screechy with me again. So we'll just leave this cage uncovered just because it needs to have some type of sunlight. Hi. Ruby, hi. No, she's gonna come to me fully. Yeah. She's hungry. I might go get her some food. Hi, Bubba. I might go get her some food. I have some cabbage and some chores for him. I might quickly go get. But I also need to get her some food. She's getting a little skinny. Hold on. Let me go ahead and get you some food, Bubby. Let me get my rabbit some food. Then I'll get my cat food. You want to say, I'm going to set you guys up right here. You're going to have the sun blaring at you. So you won't be able to see much. I'm coming back here from these stores and getting some cabbage for my bunny. And then I go inside and get her human food. But her actual owner, her mother, won't get her cat food. So I'm just feeding her human food. And I'll just chunk that cabbage right there. A little bit more. If I see there's a need, and there is, so we'll just chunk it back there and I'll have at it. That's all with it. Squishy! You go, girl! Oh my god. You goofball! Oh my god, she's in the black toad. Oh, she's having out. I'll give her a piece of cabbage. So she'll eat that. Here you go. You want some? Not your normal. It's cabbage. Yeah, you don't want cabbage. I'm gonna get you some human food and I'll put some in your bowl. Easy, Screechers! My fault, Bubba. That was my fault completely. I blew it up. I blew the cabbage bag up. That was kind of hilarious. I blew the cabbage bag up. Hold on, baby. Oh, you got food? Let me go run inside and get her some food. Move back in just a quick second. Okay, I got her this rice and bean package. It's gonna work just fine for her. And there's 3 other cats around here that might like some food. So, maybe I can offer some. Come here, guys. Maybe I can offer them something that will fill their tummies. Tigger. Tigger. Come here, Tigger. Hey, Squishy. What's this? What's that? Come here, Tigger. What's them to eat? It's called rice and chili. Not the healthiest for you guys, but something to help you over for a little while. So I can get you some more cat food. That's the reason why I'm feeding them this, is they have no cat food and their owner will not buy them. So I'm sacrificing some of my disgusting package food. It's all on my fingers. No, I don't want it all on my fingers. It stinks. But the cats love it. So I feed it to whoever likes it. And that is Screechy and my other kitties that loves me some days. Now Screechy loves me every day, because she knows I will end up feeding them something. I'm not gonna let them starve. I'm not like that, but the cats at least enjoy the rice and beans. They just enjoy it. So, and now we just chunk it back. They're hungry, so they're gonna munch on this for like 20 minutes. My bunny's like, ooh, food. Not for you, Boma. Now my tablet is hot. Hopefully the wind will knock down the heat soon. So, overall, we're done. Rabbits fed, cats fed, horses are fed. I don't think anybody else is needing to be fed. I'm just kind of doing a walk around. Maybe we'll walk around for a sec. I don't know yet. But there's actually nothing to do. I don't know what to do anymore. So I will probably, if anybody wants to hang out with me on Roblox, I will end up getting on in like 5 minutes since there's really nothing to do. I've already finished all my chores. I'm kind of opening the old rabbit coop. Yep. There's really nothing to do. So what I can think of is when they're done, grab Jack and ride. So, but that I have to wait 20 to 30 minutes with the alfalfa and a bunch of other things. So that's in just 25 minutes. And Jack is a slow eater, so he ain't even done yet. But also the other horses have pushed them off. So I think that's going to be the end of today's first video. There's going to be many more. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video getting ready for me with today. But yeah, I don't think there's nothing much to do left. So hope you guys had fun. Come along on me on my next adventure. And yeah, see you guys later and bye.